Hello, welcome back. I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we're Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Today, we're going to be unboxing this drone. Come on. That's right, guys. Today, we're finally going to unbox the drone. I know we haven't said anything on any of our videos really about the drone, other than we ordered it. We have had it for quite some time, but to tell you the truth, I'm a little nervous about unboxing and getting this thing in the air. And you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video because we're going to show what we actually made for the first cook on the Traeger. Remember, y'all voted on the last video there, and we've actually already done it. And we took it off the Traeger last night, so you'll get to see what exactly it was that y'all wanted to have us cook on the Traeger for the first time. But today is going to be about the drone. We're going to at least unbox it, and if I can get it all figured out and ready to go, hopefully we'll have a first flight at the end of the video as well. So you want to stick around for that also. Packing paper. Receipt, packing slip. Pick that up in a second. Alright, here's the first piece. It's the beacon. Extra battery. Extra props. Hopefully I don't need to use these. The actual controller itself. And the hard case with the drone inside, guys. So that's all that comes with it. I actually bought a couple of things separately. The props, actually all of these things come separately. Normally you just get what's inside this, the hard case here. And if you're still wondering what type of drone it is, it's not your standard DJI, guys. Stick around, we're going to get into this next. I had to do a little chasing down that paper that took off on me. So okay, now let's get into the drone, the actual drone, the hard case that the drone comes in. Wrapped up pretty well here. There we go. Put this over here so it doesn't blow away. Okay. You know what it is yet? Can you tell by the symbol? There it is, guys. The first look at the brand new Skydio 2 drone. This is what it comes with standard. It has a battery over here, a battery charger here, new set of blades, obviously, and charging cable, and a cleaning cloth. So that's what you get standard. All these other things I purchased separately. So let's go ahead and look at these things. This one is just another battery, just like this one we've already seen, so I'll go ahead and leave that in the box. This is basically it's called the beacon. And one of the reasons that I bought this drone is it's supposed to have some of the best autonomy or autonomous flight of any drone out there, which means it will lock onto you and follow you. It has multiple cameras, so it's very hard to crash into things like trees and stuff when it's following you. And this is called the beacon. The drone will attach to this. You can put this in your pocket if you want and walk around or bike around or whatever you want, and the drone is basically flying, keeping this in sight at all times. So I did buy the beacon. I bought some new, some more blades just in case. And I also got the actual controller itself. This one will hook to your phone, iPhone or Android phones, and then you'll be able to see what the drone sees while you're flying on the screen of your phone. So that's why I got this also. Now back to this case. The symbol on the front of this case is the drone will pick up on this when it's landing, and you can actually land, it will land itself on this symbol on the case. So that's another really cool feature, and another one of the other reasons I bought this was for the self-flying and self-landing also. So that's the unboxing and the reveal, guys. I'm gonna have to get into this thing and do some research on it and make sure it's all charged up and ready to go, and hopefully we'll have a flight coming up for you guys shortly. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. I just got the app all downloaded. I got the batteries charged up, and we're ready to go for the first flight. From what I understand, as soon as we get it airborne, the app will take me through basically a flight school, and it will show me how to fly this thing. So let's see what happens. All right, here we go. It says push or hold to take off. Taking off to hover. Well, there it is. The unboxing, the learning process, and the first flight for the Skydio 2. Alright, we told you guys also that we'd be revealing at the end here what we actually cooked for our first new meal in the Traeger. And?
It's a brisket!
Brisket's always good anyway, so brisket barely beat out pulled pork by I think 3 votes. Thanks for commenting on the last video, and if you didn't see that video, we'll go ahead and link it right up there.
If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed and hit that little bell so you can see our future videos.
That's right, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. We love responding to those and getting feedback from you guys on how the videos are. Well, if you're still here to the end, thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you next time on
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Bye!